Here, we would like to introduce you 5 quick and safe ways. Backup your iPhone contacts to iTunes, computer, cloud, Gmail, or email. 1. How to backup iPhone contacts to iTunes. iTunes has proven to be a reliable platform for backups, especially when it comes to handling crucial files like contacts. So here, you can first try to save contacts from iPhone to iTunes for backup. This backup process is easy to follow. You just need to enable the Sync Contacts feature on your iTunes, then you can complete the contacts backup. 2. How to backup contacts on iPhone to computer without iTunes. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a powerful iPhone contacts backup app that allows you to transfer contacts from iPhone or other iOS devices to computer for backup. Here is how to save contacts from iPhone to computer for backup. Step 1. Open the installed backup tool on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone X's or X's Max XE or X8 to the computer through a USB cable. Step 4. On the primary interface, you need to choose Contacts to locate all the contact info on your iPhone to the program. Step 5. Preview and tick off the files that you want to save to computer, and tap on Export to backup your iPhone contacts. Number 3. How to backup iPhone contacts to iCloud. Like iTunes, iCloud has remained one of the popular and most used cloud backup platforms. The best part is that it usually comes embedded in most iDevices, which means it's most likely available in your iPhone. This is how to backup contacts on iPhone to iCloud. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID iCloud Backup, Backup Now to save all your phone data including contacts to the cloud service as well. Number 4. How to backup iPhone contacts to Gmail. Google, apart from providing a reliable, easy, and convenient way of communicating with others, Gmail is also a great method of conducting backup procedures. Number 5. How to backup your contacts on iPhone to email. If you have an email address, then backing up contacts on iPhone to email is for you. It, however, seems complicated for some people, but it is just as effective and reliable as the other methods.